Best AI security certifications in 2026 according to my experience and my opinion. Gonna start with the first one, CompTIA Security AI Plus. If you already have IT experience for 2 to 3 years and you have Security Plus or CAISP Plus, this certification is the recommended start for you in my opinion. If you want to get started in securing AI systems and use AI systems or AI technologies to create security workflows and to accelerate incident response. According to CompTIA, the exam of this certification is 60 minutes, okay? And there is maximum of 60 multiple choice and performance-based questions. And to pass, you need to basically have 600 on a scale of 100 to 900. That's the passing score. And here the recommended experience is 3-4 years in IT. Now, as to the cost of this certification, the exam voucher is approximately 360 USD. Certification is Certified AI Security Professional from Practical DevOps. Now, this certification is a little bit more advanced than CompTIA Security AI Plus. It is basically it's geared towards AI security engineers, application security engineers, software developers, security engineers or teamers, and those who already have experience in software development, DevSecOps, and AI security engineering. Basically, it is a certification that's more hands-on than just theory. That's what differentiates it from CompTIA Security AI Plus. Now, if you are just getting started, again, you should not seek this cert. You should get first CompTIA Security AI Plus, and when you get certified, if you want to top it off with more advanced cert, you can seek Certified AI Security Professional for Practical DevSecOps. Now, according to Practical DevSecOps, the certification of the curriculum spans around 7 chapters, and of course, there is the one additional chapter for the certification process. And basically, the cost of this cert is around, as you can see, it's $1,900. Of course, that includes the lab access or the hands-on access. Our third certification is from ISACA, which is Advanced in AI Security Management. This certification is for folks who are in management and want to learn how to create a risk management program and to manage security policies when it comes to AI. So basically, this is a more leadership and managerial certification than just practice. According to ISACA, the course costs around, for members who don't have subscriptions, it costs around $550. And for members, it costs around $450. Of course, that's except the exam cost. Now, let's have a look at real data on the salaries of AI security engineers or those who work in AI security. According to Practical DevSecOps, the salary of AI security engineer is between $152,000 to $210,000 a year. This is not a standard security role or security engineering role. In this role, you will basically be responsible for securing AI models and pipelines and creating workflows using AI models to secure your current systems. Lead AI security architect, $200,000 to $280,000. Lead AI security architect is a senior strategic role. The person who will occupy this role will be basically responsible for designing the entire AI ecosystem. So it is basically a leadership or managerial position. And top tech companies and financial institutions basically may be offering more than $280,000 a year. They may be offering up to $300,000 a year for this level of expertise. Now, top tech companies that are hiring for such roles are OpenAI, Anthropic, Microsoft, Google. On top of my mind, also there is Amazon, Visa. These are companies require engineers who specialize in securing AI systems and the use of AI systems to secure existing systems. Which brings me to this conclusion. If you hold an OSCP, CPTS, BTL1, CompTIA Cybersecurity Analyst, Cisco CyberOps, I'm trying to count all the certifications on top of my mind, CISSP, CISSM, these certifications now are the baseline. So if you're planning to work in a managerial position, offensive security, defensive security, where AI is involved, you need these kinds of certifications, AI security certifications. I give you guys the top 3 according to my opinion, again. And so basically, when you have the baseline certifications I mentioned, and on top of these certifications, you have CompTIA Security AI Plus, you have AI Security Engineering from ISACA, AI Security Management or ISACA, and the certification for Practical DevSecOps. These certifications will give you 15% to 20% maybe salary premium over other certification holders who have the generalist security certifications. So let's wrap up. If you want hands-on AI security certification, I believe you should go with the one from Practical DevSecOps, Certified AI Security Professional. Of course, given that you have the sufficient experience in AI IT systems and maybe basic experience in using AI to create security workflows and AI security engineering. If you have the basics, you can go for this cert because it's really heavy hands-on. Now, if you want to create, if you are in manager position and you want to create an AI security program that encompasses all the security systems you have, the IT systems that implement AI in your network, maybe then you have to go with the one from ISACA. Okay, so that's my opinion. And if you are just getting started in AI security engineering, maybe then you should choose CompTIA Security AI Plus.